Hello, today's question is how can an elder law lawyer help you pay for nursing home care? So today you will learn how much nursing home care costs per month in Pennsylvania and how an elder law lawyer can help you and your family protect your assets for your loved ones and get Medicaid to pay for the nursing home cost. Also, why you do not have to spend all of your money on nursing home care. Hi, I'm attorney Robert Pecori. I'm an attorney in Pittsburgh. I've been helping families with elder law and estate planning now for 29 years in my family's firm. If you're watching this, you are likely in a situation where you or a loved one are in need of long-term care at a nursing home. Likely, you just learned that such care is $10,000 per month, and most families cannot afford $10,000 a month, or they would rather save their assets for their loved ones. This is where an elder law lawyer can help you. I can put a plan in place to save assets and get Medicaid to pay for the nursing home cost. This type of planning, Medicaid planning, can be done today well in advance of needing care, or even in an emergency situation where you or a loved one may need care right away. In advance, the planning is typically done through an asset protection trust. This is a trust that we create to hold assets that you specifically wish to protect for your loved ones and do not wish to spend on care. You are your own trustee of this trust, and you have access to the income from the trust whenever you may need it. You also still have access to the principal, but you need additional assistance to access that. Once you create this trust, a clock starts running on this transaction, and if you make it more than 5 years before needing care, all of your assets in that trust are protected, and you could gain Medicaid eligibility more easily then. Candidates for asset protection trust are those who are more than 5 years away from needing long-term care. That's because Medicaid has a 5-year look-back period on gifting. Also, you need to have a close and trusting relationship with your heirs because you would need their help with this type of trust planning. Emergency planning is when you need care right now. I can create a plan to gain Medicaid eligibility to pay for that care and still save assets, even if you need help right away. I've mentioned Medicaid a few times, so what is that? Medicaid is a federal program administered by the state to pay, and it will pay for long-term care. And there's 2 qualifiers for Medicaid. 1, you have to be nursing home clinically eligible, and 2, there's a financial qualifier. The nursing home clinically eligible is met basically if a medical professional specifies that you need care in a facility. The financial qualifier, you can only have a maximum of $8,000 in assets in your name. However, not all assets count toward that total. Like you can still own a house, for instance. So often we have to engage in a spend down of assets to get Medicaid eligibility, but this is what I would call useful spending. By the way, you always want an elder law lawyer to help you with the Medicaid application, not a nursing home. Why? I have a fiduciary duty to my clients. Everything I do has to be in their best interest. With Medicaid planning, this means saving you money. You don't want a nursing home to do this planning as they have no duty to you. They will gladly help you file the Medicaid application after you have spent all of your money with them. I, however, can help save that money rather than spending it all on the care. The key takeaway from this today is you do not have to spend all of your money on long-term care. An elder law lawyer can almost always help save you money and save assets. I can save you more the further in advance that we plan, but again, even in an emergency situation, I can still save substantial assets and gain Medicaid eligibility for you. For more detailed information about Medicaid and how to save assets from nursing home care, watch my free webinar, How to Save Assets from Nursing Home Care, on my website at pecorielderlaw.com. If you have additional questions or comments, please leave them below and I'd be happy to respond to them. Thank you for tuning in today. Have a great day.